So the bulk of my audience is ages 25 to 34. And one thing that gets mentioned is that as we get older, we start to forget things and our brain power sort of dwindles as well. And you know what? You're not wrong. After the age of 20, our gray matter shrinks. And that's a normal part of aging. We can't really prevent it, but there is one thing that we can do, and it's to slow it down. So here's how cardio or improving your aerobic capacity can do that for you. And it starts with executive function. So the main areas that are responsible is at the front of your brain, and it's called the prefrontal cortex. It's responsible for your working memory, flexible thinking, and self-control. So let's imagine you were studying for a test, or maybe you're doing a project for your boss. You need to display a level of executive functioning to get it done. Those mental notes of like, oh, I need to do this, oh, I need to do that. Those are examples of working memory. It's sort of like sticky notes for your brain. That's what executive function looks like. So how does cardio play a role in this? Well, check out this chart. A clinical trial had a look at aerobic exercise versus stretching to see if there were any changes to our levels of executive function. After 12 weeks, the stretching group actually had a slight advantage. But what if we have a look at the long-term view? Aerobic wins. But now let's have a look at the older adults. What about them? The difference is almost night and day. So what does this mean? Well, there's obviously some form of protective mechanism that cardio can do for our brain. The researchers from the paper found an association with a higher level of fitness with a higher level of brain power. And they actually saw an increase in the thickness of the frontal cortex as early as the age of 20 just with cardio. The key takeaway is to build your reserves now. Build the habit of exercise so you can start protecting your brain right now. If you wanted the parameters or the level of cardio you need to be doing at the gym or when you're going for a run, I have a quick checklist to help you identify which heart rate zones you need to be working in, how your fitness compares to the normal data, and also let me know if you'll be doing more cardio now that you know this. Well, my name is Victor.